So today I'm going to be doing some eyeshadow. I never ever do eyeshadow. Well, I used to, but I haven't done it in so long, like probably months. If my eyes are like doing crazy stuff, just don't mind my face, my eyes. My contacts are like acting funky today. I'm going to be using two palettes today to get the look that I'm going for. I'm using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics, and this one is so freaking pretty in color. And then I might go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, just because the BH Cosmetic palette is so just like bright and just in your face. I don't know, you know, what look I'm going for today. This really isn't going to be a talk through video. I'm probably just going to update you guys a little bit, and then I'm just going to get into doing the tutorial. But I already did my brows, and right now I'm just going to go ahead and prime my face, because I'm starting to get some pimples on my face. I don't know, y'all know I don't like pimples. I rarely ever get pimples, so when I do, it's super noticeable and super irritating for me. I'm just gonna prime my lids a little bit with the LA Pro Girl concealer. I do have a white primer, but I don't really feel like blending in that white, because when you put white on your eyes, it takes forever to blend out. So right now, I don't know, I'm kind of like in a weird space. I'm feeling super tired. I don't really know why I'm feeling like this, but I don't like it, and I probably need to go to a doctor and see kind of what's wrong with me. Because so I'm gonna go with the BH Cosmetics. I'm gonna be using this shade. Guess I'm going for like a summer color look. I don't know, but I'm gonna use this to get me that. Oh, that's kind of pretty. I honestly have not done eyeshadow in so long. I'm like scared. I don't want to mess up. What's super crazy to me is that summer is literally over pretty much. Like, it's almost the end of August, and I think summer is over the end of August. I don't know. When is summer over? Y'all comment down below and let me know when summer is completely over. But I can already start to tell a weather change. But I'm excited because fall is honestly my most favorite season anyway. So I'm not really like, you know, upset that it's almost over. I'm gonna make it a little bit more pink on the ends of my eye. So a lot of you guys may know that I am currently in the process of moving. I think I've been sharing it with my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, then you need to, because you are out of the loop. Because I pretty much post every day and like just kind of like everyday stuff. So and to cut my crease, I'm just gonna go in with the exact same concealer, which is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. It's the concealer that I use to prime with. But yes, you guys, I'm moving to a new apartment complex. It's so amazing. Like, I'm just so grateful to be moving. So now I have to figure out what color do I want to go in with, and I think I'm gonna go for like a shimmer color, just because I do kind of want to keep it subtle. So I'm gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just gonna use this shimmer pink here. Heck yeah, it's super duper cute. You guys, I wanted to try the mink lashes because they look so cute and natural on people. But it's like, I don't know, it seems like it's a lot of money to keep them up, like to maintain them. And I don't know if I'm ready for all of them responsibilities. So I'm just gonna go back in and kind of just try to blend it all in together. You guys know my all-time favorite foundation right now is the NARS All Day Voluminous. And I actually never have tried, like this is the only one that I wear. So I don't even know if I have other favorites, just because I'm afraid to wear anything else. I'm the type of person, like if it's not broke, then I don't know why we're trying to fix. What are we changing for? Like what are we, you know, what are we fixing? But I think I'm gonna try another one maybe when I run out of this one. Okay, so next I'm gonna go ahead and conceal these under eyes and kind of brighten back up my face, because you guys know that when you put on foundation, it literally makes you look like you're just one color versus having to highlight it. I'm gonna use a lot of this. You know, you want to take a damp beauty blender and just go ahead and blend that out. I kind of let this dry a little bit just because it seems like it sticks more when it's dry, and this is a super wet concealer, so you don't really need it to like be that wet. And I just start off with my chin. You guys, look at that already. It just looks so beautiful. Now it's time to contour, and I use the Sephora Make No Mistake foundation and concealer stick, and I just get this in a darker color, which is in the color teak. Y'all, I'm snatching my makeup for absolutely no apparent reason. That's the only thing about trying to get into this whole beauty world. You're literally doing your makeup for no reason all the time. Like, all the time. The Laura Mercier get you right every single time. Now I'm just going to set my contour using the Sephora. I think this is a foundation, like a powder foundation, but I don't use it for that. I just got it in a darker color. Once we're done with all of that, we're just gonna wipe away this powder and just kind of try to blend everything in together. I wish I had somebody to take my pictures. I still have not figured out taking my own pictures yet. I mean, I see so many YouTubers and beauty influencers doing it, but mine just don't ever come out right. We're gonna go ahead and set our face, and you guys know that I'm going to be using the Urban Decay All Nighter just to set this. I also use Morphe, but that one's in there, so I'm just gonna use this. You guys, you can't be afraid to use setting spray. I used to be afraid to use setting spray. I don't know why. I just thought that it was gonna change everything about my look, but it actually does not. And I'm going in with the highlighter that's actually in this palette. I never used it before, but it looks really pretty. And I like to put my highlight on while my face is still kind of dewy from the setting spray. Alrighty, you guys, so I have put on my lashes, and I also put on these really cute earrings that I got from Saks Fifth. Right now, I'm gonna just go in with a lip color. I think I'm gonna do this pink color just to kind of see if I like it or not. This is the NYX lingerie. When it dries, it does dry into a matte color, and this is in the color French Maid. I was looking for my lip liner, but I can't find it. It might be in my purse. So we're just gonna go ahead and kind of try to line the lip and then do it perfectly without a lip liner. I think it's gonna dry up a little bit, and that'll be good because I don't like this so far. I think I'm gonna turn it into a gloss. So I'm gonna add just some cheap lip gloss that I got from Dollar Tree. I mean the beauty supply store, just to kind of keep it glossy. So that's pretty much it for this makeup look. I'm not really feeling the lip, but whatever, I already done put it on. So we're just gonna leave it at that. Now you guys can leave your hair just like this. I think with this hairstyle, with these earrings, I do suggest wearing your hair to the back. That way you can kind of really highlight the earrings. Or you can definitely take your hair out and wear it, you know, kind of fluffy. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.